I hope this is a good angle because honestly I'm trying, but I don't really have space around my room. So yeah. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do like this look that I did a couple days ago. I think, yeah, a couple days ago. I posted it on my Instagram, and my Instagram will be somewhere either on the screen or in my description box below. So yeah, you can go check out the look there, or I'll probably post like a little picture somewhere, I don't know. It's basically like this stormy look, and I saw somebody on Pinterest do it and I got really inspired, so I wanted to try it myself, and I was like, oh, okay, let me try it. Today I'm gonna like recreate that for you guys and then see. Yeah, I'm just gonna recreate it for you guys. I'm not gonna talk throughout this video because I can't really talk while I do a look like this. So yeah, just like, comment, share, subscribe. I hope you guys liked the video, and let's get right into it. I also forgot to mention that I already did my eyebrows, and I also already primed my face. I primed my face using the Wet n Wild matte primer, and then I also did my eyebrows with the Morphe pomade. I have to go back and look at the shade, but yeah. So now we can get into it.
Choose your fighter.
Reiki inspired.
Fight.
Okay, so I did my base off camera because you can do like your own base with whatever foundation you use. So yeah, so now I'm gonna get into the storm. So luck. I hope you guys really like this video. I really tried my best on recreating this, and so yeah, I hope you guys really like this video. Please comment, share, subscribe, and all of that, and I'll see you guys in my next video.